Good morning, it's Andy from GDMFX, Senior Account Executive. We start with the North American markets. We had the current account yesterday for Canada, 1.11 billion worse than expected. Chicago Purchasing Managers Index, 5.3 worse than expected. Pending home sales year-on-year 0.9% higher than previous. Pending home sales month-on-month 0.8% worse than expected. And Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index for November, 7.8 higher than previous. Dow is going sideways, Nasdaq sideways, Dixie down to 100.01 from 100.16, USD JPY 37 pips down, the bigger movement. The dollar edged higher on Monday, cementing its best monthly performance since the beginning of this year. Also events for the day: GDP annualized for Canada, GDP month-on-month for September, Canada again, RBC Manufacturing PMI November for Canada, Market Manufacturing PMI for November for the US, ISM Manufacturing PMI for November, ISM Prices Paid November, Construction Spending month-on-month for October for the US. EU markets, we had German CPI year-on-year 1% higher than previous. German retail sales year-on-year 1.4% worse than expected. Swiss leading indicator 2.3 lower than previous. Italian CPI 0.2% worse than expected. Swiss GDP year-on-year 1 worse than expected. DAX 130 pips up. Euro Aussie 100 pips down, Euro New Zealand dollar 180 down. Today we have German unemployment rate, EU unemployment rate, Swiss retail sales, European, France and Italian market services PMI for Europe. UK markets, we had red data from UK yesterday. Consumer credit and mortgage approvals were worse than expected. And we will have manufacturing PMI today and financial stability report for the UK. Asian and Pacific markets. We start with the Asian. Japanese capital spending improved to 11.2% from 5.6%. China NBS Manufacturing PMI 0.3 worse than previous and forecast, now at 49.6. China non-manufacturing PMI improved 0.5. China Caixin manufacturing PMI 0.3 better. Nikkei index 90 down, 180 up today. GBP Japanese yen 89 pips up. The Kiwi versus the Japanese yen 112 pips up. In the Pacific, we had interest rate decision and statement for the Aussie, unchanged at 2%. Aussie performance of MFG index 2.3 better than previous. Today we will have Glenn Stevens' speech later. Aussie versus the Swiss franc 40 pips up. Kiwi Japanese yen 110 pips up. And commodities, S&P 500 index had a range of 16 points at 2093 at the moment. Gold had a range of $17, trading at $1,071 at the moment. Silver had a range of 18 cents at 14.17 now. Crude oil had $1 range at $42 at the moment. Natural gas trading at 2.23, range of 0.5 cents yesterday. Gold edged lower on Monday, heading towards its lowest level in nearly 6 years. Oil was higher on Monday, though traders remained cautious ahead of an OPEC meeting this Friday. Thank you for the attention. Enjoy your day.